Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am respect the character of the Olive Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Alaullah SMM, and I respect the character of Zainul Hasan Genggong Universitas Mr. Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab. I respect the head of the elementary madrasah teacher education study program, Mr. Firdaus Ainul Yakin MPD, and I respect the lecturer and chair of the English course, Miss Raudatul Islamiyah MPD. And my dear friends, let me introduction myself. My name is Atatul Hamidah. Here I will explain about the PPT.Math, which is Institute Contextual Learning in order to complex the English Mid-State Exam assignment. The fruits namely, number 1, definition. Contextual learning of contextual teaching and learning is a learning approach that connects subject matter to student. Relieve students so that students can understand the meaning of the learning and apply in the daily life. Number 2, characteristic of contextual learning include learning is linked to student real life context. Students are active in the learning process. Utilize the conception, group work, and direct experience. The teacher as a facilitator or good student. Learning implies understanding, learning, not just memorization. Number 3, benefits. The benefits on contextual learning include help students understand the material more easily, makes learning more interesting and less boring, enhances student motivation and engagement in learning, help students connect harker to everyday life. Number 4, this is difficulties. Some difficulties in implementing contextual learning. A teacher must be creative in design learning. Requires more thorough preparation. Not material is easily context to real life. Context requires longer learning timer. Example of application. Example of implementation in English learning HME. Material, vocabulary about futures and activity step. 1. The teacher brings several fruits such as apple, banana, orange, and mangoes. Number 2. The teacher introduction the vocabulary in English. Number 3. Students are asked to name the fruit in English. Number 4. Students create simple sentences such as I like apple. In this way, students learning English direct left object around them, making learning more contextual and easier to understand. Collection. Contextual learning is an effective learning approach because it context material to student real life, making the learning more meaningful and easier to understand by activity engaging students and positive learning. The teacher is a facilitator. CTL can inspire student motivation, understanding, and ability to apply now and in everyday life. However, is implementation requires creativity towards preparation and more time to achieve learning objective optimally. Maybe that's all I can say. More of this apologies. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.